Today's techniques are brought to us from Allison from Pure Motion Fitness. Now, pretty much everything taught in this video is a bigger piece of shit than that time I ate 3 burritos in a row after sculling a bottle of ginger beer, so I'm just going to look at the most ridiculous ones.
Then we have hammer grip, we call it. So we're going to do rolling elbows. So if my arms are in between my shoulders here, want to trap one hand, doesn't matter which side, I do called the Count Dracula to the face, I tell my kids. So wrist up, straight towards our opponent. We can jump in for a strike if we want to for that elbow. Down towards our hip, so that'll break that grip every time. And you see it works on Kevin right now because he's hurt.
As always, the only way to know whether or not this really works is to try it out with a non-compliant partner. So, let's do it. I will begin to assault Izzy like so. I know what's happened, my bad. I'm still holding on with this hand, so my fault. I'll let go with that. Sorry, continue. So the face strike obviously isn't working. Probably something to do with an error in her technique, so instead just try to break my grip with that elbow. Nope. So we've established that this particular technique is not effective. However, perhaps she has other techniques that are more realistic. Let's have a look.
Second one, same side wrist peel. Go ahead, reaching in. So we're gonna go around the thumb here, bend that wrist back into our opponent and down towards the ground. As soon as their face is below my hip, I'm the winner. Every time.
Not easy to get out of those, not easy.
And once again, we're going to have a look to see if this technique is legit or full of shit. I will now attack Izzy's shoulder with my hand in this form like so, and she will defend using the technique shown in the video. For whatever reason, I can't imagine why, she seems to be having some kind of difficulty getting to the next stage, so for argument's sake, we will just get her to that stage, and I will comply, got into this stage, and now we'll continue from here, and apply the technique. Nope.
I'm the winner. Every time.
Not easy to get out of those, not easy.